What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be building a scaled-down version of the Porsche 914 in the form of an all-terrain vehicle. But the kicker is we're going to be using parts that Tony has in our parts storage.
Yes.
Let's see.
All right, there's a, yep, that's 914.
Caliper on it. Got a rotor that maybe we should just scuff a little bit.
I think it'll stop
the other one's
the
there.
size we're having. Yep.
Yeah.
Underneath the 911 engine case.
Yeah.
Oh, that shock feels amazing.
Well, at least you have a shock. Shock in this one,
You have a shock, just
there's no cover.
Yeah, that's fine. For the size of the vehicle, it might be perfect.
Honestly, yeah, because the articulation, you're not gonna have much leverage.
All right,
Start. We got two knuckles.
Yep, so we got our two front struts fully loaded with calipers and rotors.
That one he's got a top hat.
Yeah.
Let's find another one.
Now we'll grab our trailing arms, maybe.
Yeah, let's try to figure out what side's what here. Yeah, it's the driver's side.
All right, so
There's one.
you got it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Axles. There's a steer
I
rack.
think right here's one.
Oh yeah, there we go. Hold that.
This piece.
Yep, we need that.
And you know, you can see from the tag that it's
Nothing.
a part.
It's
Here we go.
It's got tie rods on it already.
Yeah.
I mean, they're junk, but there's tie rods on it. Yeah, well, yeah, there's one torsion bar. I don't know if it's a 914 or not.
There's probably some in the control arms we set up.
Yeah, actually, yeah. I'll hold it there. We know that's down there now, so. There's that. Got a rack. That's 914 rack, right?
Sure.
I mean,
Looks like one
they're
to me.
pretty much the same between the cars, so.
Yes, they are. Are they behind Logan, the control arms?
I don't know.
I don't use these.
I know we have a pile done.
Right
Like-
there.
Ah, there we go. This is probably what I want. This is a driver's side. Here, cameraman.
Thanks.
Oh, wait, here. It's got a torsion bar in it right too.
For wheels.
Yeah, there's 6 hubs, but right here. Oh yeah. What are they? Pro lights? What are they called?
They look a little bit like the mini lights, but
Mini lights. Yeah.
they're not.
These are perfect. That one. It's a little rough. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, we'll find out if it actually runs. You're back.
There we go.
Good.
Yeah.
This thing is a little dirty. Whatever, I guess.
Yep. Pull some cover off. I had an idea of switching the strut side to side to move this to the front and put the steering rack up here.
I'm fine with that. Yeah, give us more space. My battery's like dead. Let's try again. There we go. Because right now, the engine mount here is the lowest point, and we want to get it up a little higher. And make it clear here. Oh yeah.
Let's see here. There we go.
That's a lot better.
That's the next step, is figuring out what, This is easy because
We have
we
so
can
much
put it
room.
where we
We gotta
want.
get the rear made
It's just
first.
figuring this one out.
Okay.
I'm thinking we almost run 2 longitudinals.
But we're gonna use box tube, I guess, and make a frame.
Actually, if we did that.
Yeah, we're actually there right now. Make sure I have enough attack.
You got a flush?
Not like that. Fresh.
All right, so we got most of our major parts sourced and roughly located. Gives us kind of the overall dimensions of the vehicle. Also have the beginnings of our frame started. So next is gonna be finishing out the major components of the frame and then start locating suspension mounting points so we can start bolting that stuff up and turning it into a real vehicle.
So I think this is how it's gonna be. The steering wheel, right? Not a.
Yeah, I think steering wheel.
Yeah, I could like
Got
this.
that. There we go.
Right?
Yeah.
Then you can. There's just so much room up here to be able to fit wherever you need to. We can put the fuel tank somewhere up here also. If you sat in front, it'd be more like an open wheel vehicle at that point, which
Yeah.
I do want to build one of those, but not for this one. And then what I'm thinking,
Yep.
eventually, we get the chassis running and then we make a body for it. I don't know what yet, but
I have a couple ideas.
me too. But we're not gonna tell you guys yet. This is fine. Everything's